How can index match look left, right, up, or down in Excel data? Imagine you're trying to find a specific piece of information in a large table and want to do it quickly without scrolling endlessly. Today, we're going to explore how to make index and match work in all directions in Excel. These two functions are powerful tools for creating flexible and dynamic lookups. First, let's understand what each function does. The index function returns a value from a range based on a row and column number you specify. For example, if you have a table of sales data, index can give you the sales amount from a specific row and column. The syntax is simple. You tell it the range, the row number, and optionally the column number. The match function helps you find the position of a value within a range. Say you're looking for a person's name in a list. Match will tell you the position of that name in the list. Its syntax requires the lookup value, the range to search, and the match type, which is usually 0 for an exact match. Now, combining these functions allows you to do more than just look down a column. You can find data to the right, left, up, or down depending on how you set your formulas. For looking down, you typically use match to find the row number where your data is located. Then, index pulls the value from that row and a fixed column. For example, if you want to find a sales figure for a specific salesperson, you find their row with match and then retrieve the sales amount with index. Looking to the right is similar but involves finding the column number with match. Suppose you want to find sales for a specific month. You match the month in the header row, then use index to get the corresponding data from the data row. Looking up from the bottom or looking up data above your current position is trickier because index by itself doesn't support reverse lookups directly. But you can work around this by reversing your data order or using other functions like VLOOKUP with a negative index, although that is less common. Looking left in your data is not straightforward because index always starts from the first column of your range. To get around this, you can rearrange your data so that the columns you want to look left from are to the right of your lookup column. Alternatively, you can use a combination of index, match, and the column function to reverse the column index. In advanced Excel sheets, these techniques are especially useful for creating dynamic dashboards and reports. They allow you to look up data in any direction without being limited by the structure of your table. This flexibility makes your spreadsheets more powerful and easier to update. So, to sum up, index and match can look in all directions with some clever adjustments. Looking down and right is straightforward, but for left and up, you might need to tweak your data or formulas. Practice these methods, and you'll be able to handle complex lookups with ease.